In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch companies on QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple businesses, QuickBooks Online provides a seamless way to toggle between different company files without the hassle of logging out and back in. Let's break down the steps to make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks Online web address. Once the homepage is loaded, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button. Upon clicking sign in, you will be directed to a login page where you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks Online account. It's crucial to ensure you use the correct credentials here to access your specific set of QuickBooks data. Typing in an incorrect email or password could result in a failed login attempt, so double check your details before proceeding. Once you've entered your email and password, move forward by clicking the sign in button on the page. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for your account, you might be prompted to enter a verification code, so be ready with your device to complete this step securely. After successfully logging into your QuickBooks Online account, you'll need to access the settings. To do this, look for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. From here you have access to various account settings and tools, but for the purpose of this task, we're focusing on switching companies. Within the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Switch Company. Select this option. QuickBooks Online is designed to support users who manage multiple businesses, but it's important to note that each company needs its own QuickBooks Online subscription. If you've been granted access to different companies by other QuickBooks users, this is where you can manage everything from one central hub. Now, once you've clicked on Switch Company, a list of companies available under your account will be displayed on the screen. Carefully scroll through the list and select the company you wish to switch to. This feature is particularly beneficial for accountants or business managers who oversee bookkeeping tasks for various entities. By selecting the desired company, QuickBooks Online will shift you to that company's dashboard and settings, allowing you to continue working seamlessly. Remember, you cannot create two companies under one single QuickBooks Online account. Each business requires its own subscription and individual setup. However, you have the flexibility to request access to other companies if you've been invited as a user by another account owner. This functionality makes QuickBooks Online a convenient solution for managing diverse businesses, or even when collaborating with other users across different organizational levels. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to switching companies on QuickBooks Online. This efficient process eliminates the need to log out and back in, saving you time and minimizing disruptions to your workflow. Whether you are a business owner or an accountant managing multiple accounts, this feature is designed to streamline your QuickBooks Online experience. By following these instructions, you can easily switch between different companies, ensuring that you can focus on the specific tasks and reports needed for each business. QuickBooks Online continues to offer robust solutions for managing financial data across various industries and organizations, and mastering these features will undoubtedly enhance your productivity. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial on switching companies on QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to navigate your QuickBooks Online account with greater ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you optimize your QuickBooks Online experience. Stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips to help you make the most out of your financial management software.